Hello, and welcome to New England Escapades. Today we took a trip to Woodman's of Essex. Here's what we learned on our adventure. Lawrence Henry Chubby Woodman and his wife Bessie opened up a clam shack in 1914 on Essex's Main Street, more commonly known to locals as the Causeway. Chubby and Bessie sold steamer clams dug by Chubby himself, as well as ice cream and homemade potato chips. On a slow day in 1916, a local fisherman stopped by the stand. The fisherman jokingly suggested that if Chubby tried frying clams, then he would never have a slow day again. While the fisherman and the few other customers at the stand laughed it off, Chubby and Bessie got to thinking. Later, they experimented with frying clams in various batters until they found what they believed to be the perfect combination. The next day, during the 4th of July parade, Chubby and Bessie presented the first fried clams to the citizens of Essex, and according to Woodman's, the rest is history. While this sounds like the kind of tall tale concocted by countless restaurants across the country to claim to be the inventors of various foods, there's actually historical merit to the Woodman story. While clams had certainly been pan-fried before, it does appear that Chubby and Bessie were indeed the first to deep-fry a clam and market it successfully. In fact, in 1917, Howard Johnson, founder of the eponymous restaurant chain, actually visited Woodman's personally to learn the recipe for his own use. Chubby and Bessie later wrote what they considered important family events on the back of their wedding certificate. The first two lines were the birth dates of their two eldest sons, Wilbur and Henry. The third line read, "We fried the first clam in the town of Essex, July 3rd, 1916. 5 generations later, Woodman's remains a thriving staple in Essex, serving throngs of tourists in the summer and countless locals in the off-season. Their fried clam recipe remains unchanged, and the menu has expanded to include a large roster of fried and steamed goodness. It's not exactly the healthiest food in the world, but it is delicious. In addition to standard restaurant fare, Woodman's offers a clam bake to-go service, sending a truck loaded up with food, boilers, and wood to the customer's preferred location. And given its proximity to Boston and Logan Airport, Woodman's has been used as a filming location in at least half a dozen movies. It was most visible in 2010's Adam Sandler comedy Grown Ups, although their fare was shifted to be burger-focused in the film. Whether you're a local or in town exploring the Essex Coastal Scenic Byway, Woodman's is one of the best places to have authentic New England seafood in the area. It's located about 45 minutes from Boston at 119 Main Street in Essex, Massachusetts. While it has a huge parking lot, it does fill up quickly in the summertime, so definitely plan accordingly. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and keep on adventuring.